Hey there, welcome to LC Yoga. My name is Laura, and today is day 2 of our 5-day yoga and meditation challenge. And this is our meditation on earth and finding balance. If you're ready, find a comfortable seat, and I'll meet you there. We'll spend this meditation in seated, so find a comfortable seat, maybe sitting up on something. Find a cushion, maybe that will slope down in the front, and that'll help the pelvis tilt forward and allow us to sit tall. So get comfy and snuggle in. Close the eyes and bring the backs of the hands to the knees. Now your legs can be in cross-legged. Easy pose, easy position, just comfortable. And let the crown of the head float up toward the sky so the neck is long. Sit bones rooting down. And feel the earth beneath you, holding you up. Start to deepen the breath. You don't have to breathe in any particular way, just deeper and slower. And let the breath find its way to your belly. When we're moving through our day, the breath is usually up in the chest. So let it fall down into the belly. Release that corset of muscles that you keep around your midsection. Let yourself have a nice little Buddha belly. The first thing we'll do is some 3-part breathing. So what that means is we're going to breathe into the belly, into the chest, and then up all the way into the shoulders with each inhale. And then we're going to let all of that out with an exhale. So take a normal breath in. And let it all out through an open mouth. And then inhale to the belly. 1, 2, 3, hold. Inhale to the chest. 1, 2, 3, hold. And then all the way up into the shoulders. 2, 3, and hold. And then let it all out. And we'll do that 2 more times. Take a normal breath in and let it out. Inhale to the belly. 2, 3, hold. To the chest. 2, 3, hold. All the way into the shoulders and the neck. Hold. And then let it all out. Breathe normally. And we'll do that 1 more time. Take a normal breath in and let it out. I'll breathe into the belly. 2, 3, hold. To the chest. 2, 3, hold. All the way up. 2, 3, hold. And exhale. Now just let the breath breathe. Go in and out. And let it do what it wants. Now as you're breathing, visualize something that you saw in nature, somewhere on this beautiful planet. Something that was so beautiful, took your breath away. And hold that vision in your mind. And explore every piece of it. The colors, the smells, the sounds, the touch of the air on your skin. Breathe into that place. And hold it in front of you as if you're sitting there now. Now, as you continue to visualize that, let the hands start to float up, palms up. Very slowly, let them float up to about eye level. And inhale there. And as you exhale, flip the palms and slowly let the hands float down. Right about to the belly button. Inhale, palms turn up and let them float up slowly, slowly. And exhale, turn them down and float down. Soften the palms. Inhaling, turn the palms up, float up. And exhale, let them float down. Soften the fingers this time. Keep doing that at your own pace. Inhaling and exhaling. With each breath, you're filling up with that vision of that beauty. And each exhale, grounding down into the earth. Now let the hands, the next time they're face down, let them float outward. And then as you exhale, let them come in toward each other. Inhaling out, super slow. And exhaling closer together, like you're holding a pulsing ball in your hands. Now, as your hands come closer together, leave them there, about 8 to 10 inches apart. Your palms and your fingers are rounded as if you're holding a ball. And with your eyes closed, let that ball become the earth. And now start to think about the ways that the planet nourishes you. It's the food that you eat, the water that you drink, the calm that comes from looking at its beauty. And as you hold the earth in your hands, ask a question. How can you nourish the earth so that that nourishment becomes mutual? And start to bring the hands together, one palm on top of the other, palms up. And then let your hands come over your heart, as if you're bringing the earth in. And now the earth is inside you. It's where your heart lives. Breathe into that. And let the hands come down to your lap, still one palm on top of the other. And the thumbs touch. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Let it fill your belly. And exhale it out through an open mouth. Find ways to maintain your connection to the earth. To remember that we're its caretakers and we have a responsibility. And just as we're nourished by the planet, so should we do the same for our home. Get out in nature or bring it inside every day. Namaste.